Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to tell you how to update Nvidia drivers on Windows 10. I'm going to show you some steps. The first step is to go open up GeForce Experience. Will be installed when you first go install your Nvidia driver. So all you want to do is come down to the bottom left. We've got the Mac defined glass. Well, we can go and search for this. So go search for GeForce Experience just like so, and here it is. So go and open this up. I am going to zoom in so you guys can see everything now. A really useful setting I recommended doing as well just before I go and show you this is to come up to the setting called just up here and make sure in general, then scroll down right to the bottom. I really recommended going and enabling this option. Down here it says automatically download driver updates, and let me choose them when to install. So that's really useful and it's going to save your time having to wait to download. Then all you want to do is come to home, but then you want to come to the right of home and click on drivers just like so. Then here it's going to go and give us the option to go and install updates. As you can see, we've got this brand new driver here. You can go and click on check for updates. I recommend click on that, and then it's going to find the most recent ones, and then you can go and click express installation. However, if you haven't got this part here, don't worry, right click on your desktop, go and click on video control panel, or you can go and search in the modifying glass once again for Nvidia control panel as well. I'm personally going to right click and go and click on Nvidia control panel, and then it's going to open it up, and what we need to do is find out the current version of the Nvidia drivers we have. So to do that, in the Nvidia control panel, go and click on help, then come down to system information. All you want to do is go and look for driver version, and as you can see at the moment I've got 511.7. then I'm going to go and close off this, and do remember the driver version you've got. And now you want to go and open up a web browser, and all you want to do is go search for Nvidia drivers just like now, and make sure you go to the official website. I've got the nvidia.co.uk page, and the com either going to work fine for me, but just make sure you are use the official one. Come down to manual driver search. I need to go and enter your product type. If you're unsure of what graphic card you've actually got, all you want to do is go and open up GeForce Experience once again and click on the settings code just here, and then as you can see in the top it's going to say my rig, and I've got an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1660. So now we can go and continue with filling out this form here. Click on start search, and now it's going to go and load all the drivers which are available. So if you can't go and automatically update it, I recommend going clicking cat download and wait for it to load, and then click download now. And all you need to do is go and run this full installation again, and just an alternative if GeForce Experience isn't doing automatic updates or not letting you update via that way. And then all you need to do is run the installer. It's really simple and it guides you fully through what you need to go, and then you're going to have the most up-to-date version of the Nvidia drivers. If you did find this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like. Thank you for watching.